Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is how can we add add-ons and remove add-ons from the Google Documents, Google Spreadsheet from anywhere. So first we'll go the Google Documents, search Google Docs. Now click on this docs.google.com, docs.google.com. Now this window is come. So this is the place for save your documents online. So it is Google document. You can main menu, click on this main menu and you see that document, sheets, slides and forms. So when you click on sheets, then one spreadsheet is open and it looks like okay, it takes time, but I will tell you something about the channel before we start this video. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our channel, then you can subscribe our channel and also don't forget to click bell button in the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. And if otherwise you do not get the full information, first go to, watch the video from the beginning to the end. So when you click on these sheets, click on this blank, and one blank spreadsheet is open. It looks like Microsoft Excel, and there is all these options are there exactly like Microsoft Excel, and it also works like Microsoft Excel, but difference is that Google Spreadsheet is online. You can save it anything. It is attached with this. It is working with Google documents with others Google related Google products. And now I just show you that when you click on this add-on, there is one add-on options. Go to the add-on and get add-ons. Suppose for mail merge, you yet another mail merge. So after going to the search button, you just, all these are add-ons, but if you want to mail merge, suppose you go to this, you search for yet another mail merge and you just get it, yet another mail merge. All these are the add-ons of mail merge, but the rating is good for yet another mail merge. You just take it free, and it also free to add this with this Google products, with this Google documents. So now I just click on this. After click on this, it asks for authentication or Google sign in. So if you have, I open just my login, I just open Google Gmail, Google account. So and it is my Google account. So I just open with this account. So you can easily add these products with this Google documents with this Google account, Google Gmail account. So a Gmail account is very popular to send messages, to receive messages. So it is too much popular from all amongst the emails. So when you are using this Gmail, Google documents, Google products are all related with this Google Gmail. So if you know the tips and tricks, you can easily do all of your works. So this is the options. Yet another mail merge want to access your Google account. So this is the third party apps. It needs the authentication. It need to access your Google account. So if all these, after you clicking on this allow, you just give permission about this yet to another mail merge. These third party apps to view your emails, messages and settings, all they have. No, you just give permission to these apps to all of these following. You just read about this and make sure you trust on yet another mail merge. So you may sharing sensitive information with this site or app. Learn about how yet another mail merge will handle your data by reviewing it terms of services and privacy policies. You can always see or remove access in your Google account. So after clicking on this allow, Google Spreadsheet product will connect with your Gmail account. So Gmail data and all these are now attached with this product. So yet another mail merge, start a new merge anything. So and another option by logging add-ons. So already mail merge, it helps to mail merge yet another mail merge. This add-on helps to mail merge your from Gmail account. So after clicking allow your yet another mail merge, access your Google Gmail account. So now it is added your account. I just show you in the earlier video that how can you mail merge from this Gmail. But after that, it is these apps, these add-ons, these third-party programs are know about your sensitive data, about your information about this email or here. After you doing all of your add-ons, why you take add-ons? For some reason you take these add-ons, but after that, after your work, you can also remove from these add-ons. So after doing this some work, suppose you can, after doing this Gmail mail merge, you can see the next in the another video which I am published earlier. You just want to remove this add-on from your spreadsheet because you don't want to access your data to the third party apps or anyone. You don't want to share anything about your information to any third party programs or apps. So you just want to remove these add-ons from your spreadsheet or Google document because Gmail account is very secured and it is very, if you just anything can happen. So all the bank informations, credit card informations and all the about loans and all others information on private information, personal information are in the email address. So if you go this access after allowing this, you can these third party apps can access your data. That's why they ask you to allow these apps, but they also be secured. But if you don't trust on this, just if you want to remove these add-ons, just click on this add-on and there is one option, manage add-ons. And just click on this manage add-ons. So yet another mail merge. This add-ons is attached with our Google document. So I want to remove this. So manage and click on remove. So it is removed from your from my Google document. Just see, click on these add-ons. No such data is get add-ons. If you want to once again to insert this type of add-ons, please go to the get add-ons and search for this and do the same procedure. You can Google Analytics, Google Power, anything you can attach with your add-ons. After your work is done, you can also remove from the manage add-ons section. So that's it for today. And if you like our channel and if you like to watch the same type of videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe of USN Mix YouTube channel. If you want to share any information and ask any question regarding this video, you can make comments in the comment section of this video in this channel. So I am surely answer your questions or your information. Thank you very much for once again for watching this video. Thank you.